I'm right here if you need me. Come on, Addisyn, look. Right here. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Hey.
Oh, she likes the puddle. Are you getting all wet? Uh-huh.
Don't go off the edge. Please be careful.
Yeah, if she starts to go off the edge, grab her because she'll go step forward and then lean back and smack her head on the concrete.
You know, this child keeps smacking her head on the wood floor.
Mm-hmm. She got a bruise on her head as it is.
Addisyn. There you go.
There's water here. Look at that. Ah, careful.
She's like, come here, play in the rain with me.
She says, you're wet. No,
Addisyn,
don't grab his head. Let go of his head.
You be nice. No.
No, she's beating his head.
You
Jeez.
pet. Watch. You pet. You don't hit. You pet. See? Let's try it with Liberty. Liberty, come here.
She says, no, I don't want to be your guinea
Pet.
pig. Pulls her hair. She lays on the back of the couch and
Yeah,
the
I
baby
know.
walks up and grabs her hair. Where are you going, Pumpkin? Oh, she's going to go walk wet all over my house.